Hi guys, today we're gonna troubleshoot a fault on this water tank. So when you look at this one, this is a fault light or fault LED. It is pulsing 7 times. So on this Honeywell device, if it's pulsing 7 times, that's telling you that the flammable vapor sensor lockout. So I'm going to show you how to reset that. So technically what you need to do, unplug the power cord here, leave it unplugged for 10 to 15 seconds, then plug that back in, and now back to the controller. Wait till the light come back. So now you see that the 7 pulse pattern again. So the way you reset it, turn this knob all the way down counterclockwise, then all the way up to the hot. So technically you have to do 3 to 6 times, but I don't know if you heard that. After the first time it resets itself and start working. So we have reset the flammable vapor sensor lockout. If this lockout keep occurring, then what you need to do, you need to double check the flammable vapor sensor. Okay, so you could double check by unplugging that. There's 2 wires connected to it. Unplug those 2 wires, then take your ohm meter and read it across. When you read across, you should read anything more than 5k ohm. So if you're reading lower than 5k ohm, you have to replace the sensor. But if you're reading greater than 5k ohm, you should be okay. But at that point, you just make sure there's no gasoline or anything nearby this water heater the sensor might be triggering off of. I think that would take care of the problem. Thank you.